This was the Economic Advisory Commission's quarterly meeting. We have 6 goal areas in our recently adopted Economic Success Strategic Plan. The second goal focuses on creating places where people want to be.
Innovation districts represent the new geography of research in the United States. They're dense cores where there's an unusual amount of activity, both residential, real estate, commercial activity, but then also research occurring inside transit accessible areas that are connected with broadband and other amenities and are accessible to both the community and its anchor institutions.
An innovation district is an opportunity to create unique places throughout the county where innovation, which is directly correlated to diversifying our economy, can take place.
We're looking at doing that in the National Capital Region specifically because of its importance to the Commonwealth. So places like Fairfax and the surrounding counties are very important for us to consider as we look forward in that planning.
So the goal of innovation districts is innovation, economic growth, and inclusion. It is not to make every place look like Boston. Every place has unique assets and liabilities. If I were to look at Fairfax County, I think one of the things you could say about it is it has numerous opportunities, but they're distributed. So one thing that might be worth considering is how the county can get its real estate and residential area to be highly desirable to anchor institutions, be it George Mason, be it Virginia Tech, or other research labs and entrepreneurs.
We're trying to generate the kind of energy and activity in Fairfax County that's going to draw businesses and people who want to be here and retain businesses and people who already are here.